Hello my lovely friends, it's Rhonda here from Nelson Soapery. As you can tell, I have not got my voice back, but I thought I'll do a little video just to say hi and tell you what I've been up to. So obviously I have been bedridden for weeks on end, and I am so sorry that I have not bought lots of videos, but as you can see behind me, the shelves are looking a bit empty. So my beautiful teenage daughters are helping me relabel and put a few things on so that we can get up and going when my voice comes back. I'm actually perfectly fine. Physically, I'm fine. I'm walking and doing all of those things. Went for a really good 40-minute walk yesterday. But unfortunately, my voice is just not coming back. And lots of people I speak to say the same thing when they've had what I've had. So anyway, it's just a cold. It's not COVID, nothing like that. But anyway, like I said, I just thought I'll just come on to do this really quick video just to say a big hi and thank you for all the well wishes. You guys have been absolutely amazing. So keep the dream alive, everybody, and make sure that you're happy and waiting for our next video to come out. I will be working on that soon, but obviously I can't talk very well, so there will be no video at the moment, which is a little bit sad. But I will be filming them, and then I'll actually probably have to do the voiceover when my voice comes back a little bit better. But anyway, we'll see how we go, and I will load this video for you gorgeous people today. But like I said, a huge hello, and I'm still here. Don't worry, everyone. I'm getting better, I promise you. And I've changed my diet to hopefully, make me feel better as well. So I've gone gluten-free, so we'll see how that works. But that's just a little bit about me. But of course, we've still been wrapping our soaps, doing everything that we need to be doing, cleaning up behind me. And I will see you very soon. Bye, friends.